Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are looking to take your scalping strategy to the next level, then this video is exactly what you need. We are going to dive deep into the fastest and most aggressive EMA indicators that give you zero lag for perfect scalping entries. Now, in today's fast-paced market, every millisecond counts, and lagging indicators can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a profitable trade. So if you are tired of waiting for those delayed signals, then this video is going to change the game for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more tips and strategies on trading. All right, let us jump right into it. Now, before we jump into the fastest and most aggressive EMA indicators, let us quickly talk about why exponential moving averages are perfect for scalping in the first place. Now, if you are not familiar, let me just add an EMA to the chart. This is an EMA, right? Exponential moving average. Let's just make this 50 period. Now, EMAs give more weight to recent price action compared to the simple moving average or the SMA, which means that the EMAs respond much faster to price changes, and this is exactly what we need in a scalping strategy. Now, scalping is all about catching quick moves, right? Quick price movements in a short time frame. And the last thing you want to do, or rather, the last thing that you want is an indicator that lags behind the market. So the fastest EMAs allows you to spot opportunities with minimal delay, which gives you the advantage of entering trades right when the market moves, right? Not after. So let us talk about the key EMAs that can help you scalp with zero lag. The fastest EMAs typically come from shorter time periods, okay? And we're going to be focusing on three key periods that work wonders for scalping. The first we're going to be discussing is the 5 EMA, the 5-period EMA. Now, this is one of the fastest EMAs and will give you lightning fast signals. Now, the 5-period EMA reacts almost immediately to price changes. This is ideal for traders who want to jump in and out of the market quickly. However, it is also prone to false signals, okay? Because, you know, we will need to use it in combination with other indicators or price action analysis. It's one thing for you to know that the smaller the period, the faster the signals, and the more prone it is to false signals. All right. So the second indicator we're going to be looking at is the 9-period EMA. Now, the 9-period EMA offers a slightly smoother approach than the 5-period, but still gives you the aggressive responsiveness needed for scalping. It's often referred to as a sweet spot for many day traders because it combines speed with a little more accuracy, filtering out some of the noise that the 5-period can create. All right, then finally, let us look at the 13-period, the 13-period EMA. All right, now the 13-period EMA is just a bit slower, as we can see, but it is still fast enough for scalping, especially when combined with other EMAs like the 5-period and the 9-period. Now, for that purpose, let me just add both the 5-period and the 9-period back to the chart. But I'm going to use different colors, okay, for easy identification. All right, so here we have the 9, and then I'm going to add the 5 now. Okay, let me give it this color. All right, so as we can see that, you will see that the 13 period is actually slower than the 9. The 9 is slower than the 5, right? But 3 of them still gives you, good scalping signals. But the 13 EMA, tries to provide more stability, all right, compared to the super fast EMAs. Okay, so these are the aggressive EMA indicators that can help you stay ahead of the market without the frustrating lag. Now, let us dive into how to actually use them for scalping. Here's the key part. How do we use these EMAs for scalping, and how do we ensure we get zero lag? First of all, you want to set up your charts with these 3 EMAs, the 5-period, the 9-period, and the 13-period. This combination gives you a great balance of speed and accuracy. Next, we use these EMAs to spot potential entry points. So here is the general rule, right? When the 5-period EMA crosses above, when the 5-period EMA crosses above the 9-period and the 13-period EMAs, that is a sign of a strong bullish trend and could be a signal to go long. All right. Then when the 5-period EMA crosses below the 9-period and the 13-period EMAs, that indicates a bearish move and it could be time to enter a short position. Now, the aggressive part of these indicators comes from the fact that we are using the fastest periods, which are 5 and 9, to enter trades as soon as the market moves. We want to be right in this action, right, without waiting for confirmation that comes later in the move. However, don't just blindly follow the crossovers, okay? You should always look at the market structure and price action to confirm the move. For example, if the 5-period EMA is crossing above the 9-period EMA, but the price is still below a strong resistance level, yeah, it might be a good idea to wait before pulling the trigger, right? Now, to take your zero lag scalping to the next level, here are a few more tips for you to consider, okay? First of all, try to use multiple time frames, okay? Look at the EMAs on multiple time frames. For example, if you are trading on the 1-minute chart, you can also check the 5-minute charts, right? If the EMAs are aligning across multiple time frames, it adds extra confirmation to your trade. For example, we can see now on the 1-minute time frame, we have a buy signal currently. Can we see that? Can we see that we actually have a buy signal? In fact, the buy signal occurred around here, and you can see that the buy move is still ongoing. Now, on the 5-minute chart, you can see that we can see that we're having a confirmation around here. So basically, if you get confirmations across different time frames, you even have a more stronger, signal in such a scenario. All right, and then also pay attention to volatility. Scalping works best when the market is volatile. All right, you want to focus on times when the market is moving with strength, such as during major news, during major news events, or during active hours, right? Or during active trading hours. Then finally, always set tight stop losses and take profit levels, okay? In scalping, quick entries means you need to be quick on exits too. So set tight stop losses to protect yourself from sudden market reversals. For example, if you were going to enter a buy around here, you can just set your stop loss below this. Definitely, you are trading on the smaller time frame, so you are just aiming to catch some small price movements. So you might be targeting this for your take profit. Then just set your stop loss right below this swing low. You already got your buy signal forming on the 1-minute time frame. You got your buy signal already. On 5-minute time frame, you are getting a confirmation in progress. So you can just set your take profit here, set your stop loss just below that swing low, and you're good to go. All right. Always use tight stop losses. Good is very important. So to summarize, using the fastest and most aggressive EMA indicators like the 5-period, 9-period, and 13-period is a powerful strategy for zero lag scalping. These EMAs react quickly to price changes, giving you fast signals without any unnecessary delay. Combine them with solid price action and market structure analysis for a more reliable and effective scalping strategy. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to sharpen your trading game. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay sharp and trade smart. I'll catch you in the next one.